Hi everyone, hi, welcome back. Today I will be working again on a raw canvas, but it's gessoed with transparent gesso, one thick layer. And today I want to do things a little bit different, create more organic shapes, just letting the paint flow. So I mixed up this color, and that's a sap green together with some white and a touch of brown. It's quite a vibrant and fresh color. So I do want to start with that, and I do want to create like a shape like this. So when adding the water, the things become more translucent, more transparent. This is a gorgeous shape, really. Right, you know, it would be cool to create like a little shape over here too with this color. Let's let this dry and I'll be back. So I really love this color and shape, and I still have some of this color left, and I was thinking of creating like a shape over here. There needs to happen a lot more in this painting, and I mixed up the sap green together with some more raw amber, and I think this is a slightly darker color. Like I said, I do wanna start letting the paint flow like. It's now really getting exciting. So I mixed up an even darker shade. Yeah, let's let this dry and I'll be back. So for now I added a tape line. It's not really sticking that well, but I want to create like a shadow of this mountain, and I was thinking that's probably not gonna go super well if I don't use the tape. So I do have this color, but I diluted it just a little bit more. super neat, super nice. I love that. So now I was thinking of creating like the smallest mountain up here. Here it is, here it is. So here it is for now, I must say, because I still have some ideas left for this painting, but I need to let those ideas marinate before I start adding to it. And I think it's quite neat how it is right now. I also did add this frame to this painting because I think that's definitely needed, especially working on raw canvas, and it gives it just a lot more body. I love those sharp and crisp lines, but I also enjoy that this line here is vanishing and there, up there too. You really see the raw canvas now, don't you? So this little corner, it's really adding to the painting, to the composition. I would love to hear what you think about this one. It's more organic, but I must say, I want to step away from the horizon line for the next few paintings. So let's see if my hands and mind will do that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week, Saturday.